Alright, so hi guys. I'm so sorry for the lack of uploads. I've been very busy, so I hope everybody is doing well. In this video, what I want to go over is how to find the inverse of a rational function. So here we have find the inverse of the rational function. We have f of x equals x plus 4 over x minus 7. The first thing you always want to do is put it in terms of x and y. So set as an equation in terms of x and y. So y equals x plus 4 over x minus 7. Okay. And then number 2, we want to switch x and y. So in this case, we're going to say x equals y plus 4 over y minus 7, right? Now, number 3 is solve for y algebraically. Now, this is going to be a pretty quick one, guys. At least I hope it will be. So it's not going to take as long as my other videos. So we're going to grab x equals y plus 4 over y minus 7 and just solve for y algebraically. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply y minus 7 on both sides. We have x equals, we have x times the quantity y minus 7. And if y'all hear an airplane in the background, I apologize. There's always airplanes here. So x times the quantity y minus 7 equals y plus 4. So notice that this cancels out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and, let's see here, we're going to go ahead and distribute the x here. So xy minus 7x equals y plus 4, right? You want to get y terms to one side. So in this case, we want to kind of manipulate it so that we get, I want to say x and y terms, except, so get x, y, and y terms to one side. Right, so how are we going to do that? Well, we're just going to do a little bit of manipulation here. So in this case, I'm going to subtract y on both sides, right? That's the first thing. So we have xy minus 7x equals 4. And then finally what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and we are going to go ahead, hold on guys, and add 7x on both sides. So, we have xy minus y equals 7x plus 4. Now lastly, we want to go ahead and factor, so we're almost done. We want to factor y out of x, y minus y. So factor the y out. So basically y times x minus 1 equals 7x plus 4. And lastly, what we want to do, right? So we want to go ahead and finally divide both sides by x minus 1. So we want to go ahead and divide both sides by x minus 1. So we're going to do that right quick. So here we have y equals 7x plus 4 over x minus 1, excuse me. And we can clearly see, and now we let y equal f inverse of x. So here we're going to go ahead and say f inverse of x equals 7x plus 4 over x minus 1. And that is going to be our answer, guys. Again, this was a pretty quick problem. If I am going a little fast, let me know, but if y'all need to rewind a little bit, please do so. So it's pretty straightforward. We just went ahead and multiplied y minus 7 on both sides. We distributed the x times y minus 7 equals y plus 4. We crossed this out over here. And then we went ahead and we distributed the x, so xy minus 7x equals y plus 4. We moved the y terms to one side, so xy plus minus y minus 7x equals 4. Finally, we added 7x on both sides, got xy minus y equals 7x plus 4, factored out the x minus 1, so factored out the y, got y times x minus 1 equals 7x plus 4, divide by x minus 1, and then we got y equals 7x plus 4 over x minus 1. And then finally, we just let y equals f inverse of x, so f inverse of x equals 7x plus 4 over x minus 1. And y'all can verify this on the actual, like on Desmos or on a graphing calculator to know that it is actually the inverse. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I know it was a pretty quick one, but with that being said, if anybody has any questions, please let me know. And thank y'all so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.